One thing about me, I like egg. I remember growing up and my dad used to cook this scrambled egg sauce with yam. I used to think, wow, what's he doing? Like, how do you get it to taste like this? But actually, it's super simple, as you can imagine, and super quick. So I start off by chopping up some vegetables. I've chopped some red onions, I've chopped some scotch bonnet, and now I'm chopping some peppers and also some tomatoes. So you chop these up quite small. In a pot, you need a little bit of vegetable oil. You leave this to heat up for a few minutes and then you add your onions along with some simple seasonings like salt and pepper. After this is cooked for a few minutes, you then add in your tomatoes, which make a big difference to the smell. Then it's the star of the show, your eggs. So I use about 3 eggs and this is for 2 people. You add them to your pot and you also season with some curry, thyme and a Maggi cube. And then really you just leave this to cook, and towards the end you add in your peppers. Now I like my eggs well done. I hate runny eggs, so I will cook this until the eggs are absolutely done. I usually eat this with yam, but you know, you can also have it with bread. But if you know about yam and egg, then you know about yam and egg. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.